Today, I'm going to show you how to add a subscribe button right around here. And I have a video from a while ago, how to add your most recent video, but I realized I didn't show you how to add the subscribe button, so I'll do that here. So, if you've already uploaded the video, just go to the video. Apparently back in October, I forgot to add the button, so I'm going to do it right now. So scroll to where your end slate is. Make sure your end slate was on that video. And then click Edit Video. I have like 6 windows open, so it might take a second. Okay, so now, and YouTube is always changing stuff. So they've changed their editor. Not this. Not the thumbnail. I don't think it's an advanced feature. Yeah, it's not an advanced feature. Okay, back to basic. They changed this again. Oh my gosh. Other features. Where's the inlet thing? Dun dun dun. What? Yeah, let me go to Creator Studio Classic because I definitely need to add the button. Yeah, not. Oh, here, hold up. In screen. See, they keep switching stuff. So it's going to automatically go to like 20 seconds left in your video, but you go to where you actually want it to pop up. It should generate a preview here. Okay. I don't know why it's on. This is not. Let's see, that's not the video. Oh my goodness. Aggravating. Somehow I have 2 end slates now. That's dumb. Oh, my bad. I forgot it switched. I was like, what? Anyways, okay. Add element. Subscribe. So, in order to add a video or playlist, you have to add the subscribe. And until I get enough followers, I can't add a link. So, anyways, click subscribe, create, and then it puts it wherever. You literally just drag and drop it where you want it. Boom. And then you add a video or playlist. And I'm going to say best for viewer. And it's going to select the video that's best for them. You can switch it up each time. But you don't want to send it to somebody else's channel, if that makes any sense. But yeah, that's it. That's how you add it. And to make sure, just click save. It might take a few minutes, and then when you go back and look, and press play, is it gonna play? Oh my gosh, aggravating. And preview's not working today, but yeah, there they are. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye. I figured out how to put the preview on this button right here.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Level up, 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 level up. All this